Okay, guys. Check out the remote. Hoping I give you boys too much feedback. This is the fabled North Park. Speed bumps and all, man. They're more like ramps. Anyway, we got the remote hooked up to the GoPro. I hope it's not giving that little ticking noise. I did make a couple test videos, and it didn't make a ticking noise. So I don't know. I guess maybe it went away. I don't get it. You know, a lot of people say you got to bring the you got to take the GoPro and send it off to the factory, and then they reflash it. I don't know. For some reason, it just went away. So it works for me, you know. Let me close. I can't close it. I have taken my dog around here. This loop is 5 miles, and it's a nice park, man. This is one of the nicest parks in the Northeast, actually. I can't say so much for the people. The people up here are very cold, very unfriendly, but the park is real nice. Dog going crazy. I left 4 Facebook groups in the last 2 days because of disrespectful comments. 3 of them were groups I started. I started this one group that was called Nissan Hardbody D21. I had a 1990 Nissan Hardbody, and I got that club up to over 13,000 people. And I didn't like the comments they were making. I really didn't. A lot of disrespectful comments. And you know, man, I don't have a Nissan Hardbody anymore, you know, and I really didn't feel like buying one. I mean, you don't have to buy one in order to have a group like that, but you know, that's why I started the group, because I used to do repairs on it, you know, and all kind of crap like that. But yeah, anyway, I dropped the group, man. I founded the damn group. I was administrator. I had over 13,000 people. I left it the other day, and then I had a page. I had a Nissan Hardbody page with a couple thousand people. I left that one too because they're disrespectful comments. I belong to another group that's called Knife Fans. A lot of disrespectful people. I left that one. And I belong to a Big Dog group. I left that one because of disrespectful comments. I don't have time for that. I really don't. I mean, you know, I ignore a lot of disrespectful comments here on YouTube. I've learned how to ignore them and move on, you know, and not let them bother me. You know, but I don't need that Facebook bullshit. I really don't. I don't need that damn Facebook bullshit. Anyway, man, this is the last video. This is the last ride of the year. So, I really did. It's a little cold out here. It's about 50 degrees. As you can hear with my voice, I can barely move my mouth. I'm so damn cold. It is cold out here. What's this fool doing parked over here? See, that's what the park ranger should have stopped them and say, hey, you know, you're not allowed to be parked there. He probably broke down. I don't know. I would have coasted back a little bit to the island if I was her. I would have got off that. I would have got out of that goddamn bike lane if I was her. Yeah, anyway, man, this is my last video riding this. I might take this to work Monday morning. And I think the weather's supposed to go downhill after that. I'm getting ready to order the leather for the seat. And I think I know the designs I want to put on this. Let's see if we can come in here. I'll turn the GoPro off in here. This is the boathouse here. You can rent boats. You can rent like canoes and stuff. It's a nice little place actually, man, North Park here. It is. It's a nice little spot. I don't know what his hurry is. Okay, I'll take you guys down here. Well, I will tell you guys, man, I appreciate your patronage. I guess I don't have one of the most fulfilling channels around. But you know, things change, things can get better, they get worse too. this is a nice little park still, man. It is. They have handball courts here, bunch of tennis courts. Bunch of tennis courts. I think they got like 12 tennis courts over here. And they're rarely used. That's the sad part about it. They put in all these tennis courts for these people. And they rarely use them. Okay, guys, we're gonna pull over here, man. I'm gonna shut this off.